What you doing, Precious? Hi, Bella.
So that's Grandma.
What's Bella doing?
Well, I don't know what them dogs is doing, but
I want to see
they
that last
jumping
video that
everywhere.
was done.
Bella. 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 Hi,
Looking up
Precious.
here at text now. Bella. Bella. Hey, Bella.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Let me try one of your tomatoes, see if I still like them.
Look at that precious baby.
What are they,
look.
out of a can?
No, it's a fresh tomato.
Y'all don't say no stupid words.
Hmm?
Don't cuss.
She say don't cuss.
Bella, 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 Bella.
Oh, she's stretching.
I don't know who glasses be.
My goodness.
I don't know what you're feeding her, but she's gaining weight.
She sure
I'm
is.
feeding her my tea milk.
I guarantee you that's the best you could give her.
That's precious.
She only woke up once during the night last night and once this morning.
That means she's getting full, satisfied.
Bella. What are you doing?
And you getting blessed.
Precious.
I'm going to hate to stop because I ain't going to have these pretty kittens no more.
That's really something YouTube would like to hear.
Yes, sweetheart.
Mama, you ain't putting on me.
That's why I'm trying to get a good one.
Bella.
She's so beautiful.
She looks like she's sitting there staring straight at that camera.
She looks like a boy dressed in yellow.